I'm Gary Hodges. This is the 198, and come on in and take a tour. This is my wife Beth.
Hi everybody.
And so welcome to our home. I'll just tell you a little bit about it and jump in there if there's anything you think of. We decided we wanted a real open type plan, and so as you can see we have a lot of real estate here in the middle. We took advantage of every little nook and cranny to do a lot of storage, and we're still working on getting some of that in place. Here at the front we've got a couple of nice captain's chairs we got out of a Chevy van at the junkyard for $50 a piece. They work perfect, they're really comfortable. Then coming on back we've got just a little seating here that under there is our electrical core, and then moving on back this way into our kitchen we've got an RV rooftop AC here and RV stove installed there. The kitchen's 9 feet long from end to end, so it gives us plenty of cabinet space to work, counter space to work, lots of storage. We went with soft close drawers, which is really nice. But we do still have to secure those when we drive. They don't stay closed, so we have to.
Common problem.
Yep, absolutely. We decided to go with a chest freezer as our refrigerator. One of the things that it does is it doesn't use a lot of electricity, and even when we don't have electricity, if we're going for a day or two and we need just things to stay cool, we can just buy a bag of ice and stick in there, and it acts like an ice chest. So it's real simple that way. We really love that, and we love the way it keeps our sight lines open. Doesn't block any of our view that we love. This actually was the very first thing we had for the bus before we had a bus. Came across this on a sink and said, that is beautiful. I think we'd like to use that in our bus when we get a bus. And so that was the very first purchase. Well, it wasn't even a purchase. It was given to us. Back here we've got our tankless water heater behind this little door here. And then in front of it we've got our slide out broom closet.
Now, is this a fold-up table?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, come on around here,
Yeah.
Steve, and I'll show you about that. We have our kitchen table slash desk that comes up. The legs fold down, and then we take it on up. We've got our keyboard mounted under there, so we can just pop that up and do some music. This space in here is still kind of in flux. We've got this storage ottoman that we're trying to decide if we want to keep that. It's a nice little seat to sit down on if somebody's cooking and somebody wants to watch or whatever. But we're thinking about maybe putting another cabinet in here. We're not sure about that yet. Because this does not have a freezer, we have it at temperatures for refrigerator, we went and bought a 1.1 cubic foot freezer for down here. So now we're able to have freezer capacity as well. Together, the two of those, when they're running, pull about 4.5 watts. So it's not a big pull on our electricity, and they're not on all the time, obviously. Cubic mini wood stove. We love it. It gives such a nice, warm, dry heat. Very comforting in the wintertime. We're in North Carolina a good bit of the time, and so it does get cold there, and we just love this thing. In addition to this, when it's really cold, or if we get up first thing in the morning, we want to just get things heated up really quickly, we do have a Mr. Heater little buddy that we use, and then we also have a couple of little electric space heaters. If we're hooked up to shore power, we can run. And coming on back here, we've got our bathroom. I apologize, the shower's set up for travel right now, but we've got a wash tub in the bottom, Oxygenics shower head, and then a DIY composting toilet here. The urine runs into the gray tank. Got that piped in there. Going back here, this is our lounge slash sleeping area. We wanted an area where we could really just relax, and we have our TV mounted here, and we can both put our feet up and just be super comfortable while we're just either reading or watching or playing a game together or whatever it might be. And then the two sides fold in, all these cushions get rearranged, and we have a topper, a 2-inch memory foam topper that we roll out. That becomes our bed, super comfortable bed. And the nice thing about it is, like right now we're on a slope. When we're flat, we usually orient one direction, but now we're on a slope, we're able to kind of shift things around and orient a different direction very easily that way. And so our heads aren't downhill, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
We've got a vent fan here, which is really nice to have to pull the air through. And as you can see, we've got our guitars mounted back here. Under the seating area, we've got some storage over here with our laundry and extra shoes and that sort of thing. We've got our freshwater tank over here on the driver's side. And then behind, we've got what we call our garage, which is accessible from the outside. And then our bedding all stores right behind the back of the sofa here. And so that's pretty much it. We aren't running any solar yet. We do plan to. We do have 3 12-volt batteries that we're running, so it gives us about 270 amp hours. And so we're able to charge that from the alternator as we drive, as well as when we're connected to shore power. And
Now, if people want to get a hold of you on social media,
yes, we're on Instagram at the 198 bus. Just the number's 198 at the 198 bus.
right?
Yeah,
Thank you.
great. Thanks, Steve.
Love the bus.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.